Hello everybody, welcome back to Northwick. Today there is some plot trials being harvested with our Sampo. So Craig is up there with Phil doing that, so I'm going to go join them and see if I can be of assistance. I've just got back from taking the last load of wheat to the mill. See the trailer park down there, we've got some dung to get rid of, to take away, but we're going to try and get these plots harvested today whilst the weather's alright. So we'll go up there and see if we can help out. I was going to take the quad bike up, but it would appear that somebody's already taken it. So I'll have to walk. Never mind. Here comes the crazy shepherd. So I've been given the most important job. Picking up the pegs, taking them to the stack. Try not to fall over on my way. So I think there is somewhere in the region of 200 little mini plots of wheat here. It's all part of a Septoria trial, if I'm correct, but I'm not entirely sure. It started before I started working here, so we'll just see what's happening.
There might be something that you can do to help Louise with the bag and shifting, I think. I think that's probably where
Rather green. Not been the best year for growing wheat up here. As you can see, there's a lot of variety amongst all the different plots. So each sample from each plot goes into its own bag, gets its own little number, goes on the pile with the rest of them. If I'm being honest, I don't know what gets done to them later on. It's all to do with the science people. A bit interesting, it's a bit different. Oh, that's good. That was faster than yesterday then. Crop. I know, I haven't got my magnet yet.
Because it would almost slink to that
as it went round. So there should be a better sample off of this plot. So I'm stood between plots here. That's a plot and that's a plot. That's the best looking one.
Great finish is there. So you see that, for some reason, is all in discard.
Is that just they put the drill down a bit early?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Letting the combine warm up?
Well, he's got to get his computers fired up. I think that one day international starts this afternoon. Look and see what the cricket score is.
Oh yes, all the important things.
Yeah.
Spot the wheat head.
There's some interesting varieties here. Look at how creative they are.
Yeah. one. It's got some road wheat. So I've been promoted from carrier of sticks to carrier of bags. Another very important role amongst the plot harvesting team. I only have one bag left though, so I'm going to get some more. I need you. Take a whole watch here. Right, got more bags. That'll do us for a little bit longer. There is a huge variety in the amount of corn we're getting off each plot here. This sample, for instance, hardly anything in the bottom of this bag. And that was planted right next to some of these, look, that there's far more in. This one especially. It's all a different variety, whether that is why. Whether some of it can cope better with the weed burden next to it. I don't know. But I can't really explain what's happening next to the combine very well because it's so noisy. But essentially Craig is driving through the plots. Louise is putting a bag under a little spout onto a table that comes out the side of the combine. So this can be run on either bag or tank mode. So for this we're running it on bag mode. Phil is marking off the plots as we're going and taking his sticks to his pile. Craig's got a little button inside the cab that collects some of the sample in a tube as well. So he chucks that into the bag that Louise has as well to get our whole sample. But it's a very repetitive process, one end of the field to the other. I'm not sure I would trust this thing on a hill. And these plots back here look slightly better. So we're collecting all the samples from the row at one end, so they're all in order, just in case there's any need to know what order they came out in. Phil's off again with his sticks. They're just finishing up with the last little plot and then they'll come back and start again. Craig's cutting them all the same way, just because he says all the plants are leaning over this way, they're going through the machine better if he drives that way into them. Hell of a thing. Yes, he's got working lights. There's another pile of bags. I'm pretty sure when you put your lights on, one of your indicators came on as well. Oh. So just to show you how dry it's been here this year. Look at the size of these cracks here in the ground. I can get my hand in them. And this is after 142 mil of rain that we had here in August. And today's the 11th of September. So that's had an awful lot of rain in it after a very dry time. And it's still got those huge cracks. Another one! So for whatever reason, today has been crazy on my YouTube channel for subscribers. I've had about 20 subscribers today already, which is awesome. I'm expecting some wise words.
5 wickets down.
Ah, very good. Gotta have the cricket on whilst you're going. Yeah, huge thank you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. Do you think we could have used a smaller sample bag? Answers in the comments below. We best go get our cricket update.
I think it's still 5 wickets.
Still?
That obnoxious sod with the noisy combine.
Yes, you can't hear.
It's upsetting my listening. What do you think of my headset?
I was going to say, is this an original patented device? Shove it down your neck beside your ear.
We definitely are winning.
Couple more. I guess we don't do those end bits.
No.
So we've only got 2 stripes.
Come out with some scissors and do there.
I nominate Bowman.
So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20, 30 to do.
30 more.
But there's some big ones to do.
Some big, and then there's some not so big ones.
Yeah.
If people could see us, they would probably be thinking, what the hell are we doing? It looks like a road sweep driving over someone's allotment. There you are, what we're doing. Oh, I need bags. Run! We'll take enough to finish. Some of the plots have actually got more corn between the plots than they have in them. So if you look here, Here's an orange marker for the end of one plot. The next plot doesn't start until here. But it's got all this corn in the middle that we can't take for a sample because it's not in the right place. So Craig can't start cutting until he hits the orange mark. And then he has to stop when he gets to the next orange mark, so he can't cut anything in the middle. Everyone looks sharp. Management has arrived.
I've got to put this on YouTube, Josh. How not to run an experiment.
You can relax now. Management has gone. Of course I would be one bag short, wouldn't I? Unbelievable. Sounds like we're doing alright in the cricket, so that's good. Cricket update.
A member of ground staff has just retrieved a 6. Very carefully got his COVID rag out,
Right.
put the ball up so it was clean, then put it in his other hand and chucked it in, so they're all there now cleaning the ball. Very funny.
Right, state of play. We have 7 plots left to harvest. Then we are finished with the giant hoover. You'll find reverse in a minute. Oh. Splendid.
Did well to get that key after 4 o'clock.
What's the cricket score?
Don't know.
Yes, no.
First, second. Whoa!
Glove compartment.
Got everything set there.
Should have gone that way.
I could have gone that way, couldn't I?
Have to go round and up.
I will. Go around to Princess Anne Memorial Car Park.
Yeah.
Probably a rule about not driving up through here.
So, all 240 samples gone into the herbage lab. I'm guessing somebody wants them for some form of research, but nearly home time for us, so we'll head back over to the farm. I'm quite looking forward to going out for my dinner tonight. But that was a brief look at the Sampo. It's a bit different, you don't see those many places. That's one of the draws to work in here, is you get to see a lot of bits of kit you don't see anywhere else. So hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. If you did, make sure you give the video a like, and if you haven't already, then subscribe to the channel. As I said earlier, it's been awesome that we've gone over 100 subscribers today, with it being my birthday as well, so thank you for that. We'll see you on the next one.